happy day. San Academy Palikarni welcomes you, but this time virtually for Ramzan celebration. The month of Ramadan is fully abound with blessings and mercy. Ramadan is the month of charity, kindness, and generosity. Keeping this optimistic view in mind, here are our enthusiastic Sanites presenting before you this message in the most creative and entertaining way. These enthusiasts are unstoppable despite the lockdown and have carved this message sitting at their homes with a flavor of unity. First, I call upon Sudhanjanan DV of class 8C to brief us about this pious festival.
Hi, I am Sudhanjanam. Happy day and happy Ramadan. I am here to give you a speech on Ramadan. First of all, what is Ramadan? Yes, all your guesses are right. Ramadan is a festival of forgiveness, it's a festival of spiritual reflection, self-improvement and heightened devotion and worship towards God. This is a festival mainly celebrated by Muslims. In this festival, charity and giving to others is very important. In this festival, Muslims do fasting for a month. Okay, what is fasting? Yes. During the hours of daylight, Muslims don't eat or drink anything. This is fasting. When is Ramadan? Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar. The exact dates of Ramadan change every year because Islam sees a calendar based on the cycles of moon. This year, Ramadan is on May 25th. Okay, here a question rises. Does all Muslims need to fast? No, not at all. Children below 14 years, pregnant women, nurse and nursing women, old and sick persons are not required to fast. Only those who are physically and mentally well need to fast. One main thing is that fasting is not compulsory. The end of Ramadan. The end of Ramadan is marked by a big celebration called Eid ul-Fitr. This is the celebration of breaking the feast. The Muslims not only celebrating the end of fasting, but thanking Allah for the strength He gave throughout the previous and a precious month. The Ramadan is not only a festival, but it's about having the impact of people's inner qualities. In the end of Ramadan, people give gift to kids and spend time with their family and friends. Thank you. With this, I end my speech. Once again, happy Ramadan to everybody and bye.
Thank you, Sudhanjanan, for a wonderful speech. Now I call upon Varshni Rao of class 6C to draw the strings of our hearts and add her soothing voice to cherish our souls by singing a song.
Hello everyone, I am Varshini. I am going to sing a song on Ramzan. Ramadan, Punita Ramadan, Ramadan, Punita Ramadan, Ramadan, Punita Ramadan, Ramadan, Punita Ramadan. இதயமெல்லாம் கனிந்து பதிந்து நலவில் சிறந்த மாதம் ரமலான், புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான். ஈகை குணமும் இரக்கமனமும் மலர்ந்த மாதம், நில தியாகை உணரும் நியாய குணமும் சிறந்த மாதம். ஈகை குணமும் இரக்கமனமும் மலர்ந்த மாதம், நில தியாகை உணரும் நியாய குணமும் சிறந்த மாதம். பாகி சூடு குர்ஆனை தந்த மாதம், இந்த வையகமே வியக்கும் முன்பு வந்த மாதம். பசி என்பது யாவருக்கும் உணர்தும் மாதம், பசி என்பது யாவருக்கும் உணர்தும் மாதம். நல்ல பண்புதனை ஜக்கட்டை விழுங்கும் மாதம், வாரி வழங்கும் மாதம். ரமலான், புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான். சொர்க்கத்தின் கதவுகள் திறக்கும் மாதம், அழகு சுந்தர ஊரூரிங்கள் மகிழ்ந்த மாதம். சொர்க்கத்தின் கதவுகள் திறக்கும் மாதம், அழகு சுந்தர ஊரூரிங்கள் Ramalan, Ramalan, Punita Ramalan, Ramalan, Punita Ramalan, Ramalan, Punita Ramalan. Thank you.
Thank you, Varshni. That was indeed a melodious. Now, come along. Let's have a change. Kavya B of class 5B and Rithmika of class 4B are going to present a dance.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान अस्सलामुअलैकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान ये ईद का त्योहार है खुशियों का है त्योहार ये ईद का त्योहार है खुशियों का है त्योहार सबका है त्योहार ये प्यार का पैगाम है ये प्यार का पैगाम मुबारक ईद मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक
Thank you, girls, for a mind blowing performance. Now we conclude our program with a hope that this pandemic may come to an end soon and giving a better hope to the society. Thank you.